Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you along on a typical Sunday nighttime routine of a mom of two. So our nighttime routine begins right after dinner. Here I'm just picking up, and I'm going to link down below some daily cleaning routines that I do to maintain the house on a daily basis. The dishwasher is my best friend in the kitchen, so I'm just going to empty out anything that was in there already and then put in the dirty dishes. One of the things that I've been applying a little over a year ago was running my dishwasher at night. It's such a game changer because when I get home from work the next day, I can just put all the dishes away, they're already dry, and then after dinner I can just load up the dishwasher once again. Once our house is nice and tidy and ready for tomorrow, it's time to head on upstairs. Now while I'm getting their PJs and their bath ready, this is usually the time that my oldest daughter will go ahead and pick up her room. We've made it a habit to pick up her room right before bedtime so that the mess does not accumulate and she doesn't find it overwhelming when it's time to clean up. Trust me, we've learned the hard way. This has got to be our favorite bubble bath. It's by the brand Baby Balm, and I've used their sunblock for the past 2 years and I absolutely love it. So when I found out they came out with their baby line, I was obsessed. As soon as this hits the water, the whole bathroom just smells like pina colada and coconut, and it's very summery. We love it. So while the kids are enjoying their bubble bath right behind me, I am going to start my skincare routine, which usually starts by removing my makeup with a Garnier Micellar Water. It's my favorite, it's very affordable, and it's super effective. Now this is something new I've been adding to my routine lately, which is an at-home teeth whitening system by Smile Brilliant, and it's super effective as well, and my favorite part is that it's so easy and simple to use. It does not take away from being a mom at all. You can just go about your mom duties and still be taking care of yourself at the same time. Make sure to click the review post down below as there will be a giveaway in there as well. And a huge thank you to Smile Brilliant for collaborating with me on this video. So after bath time, we're going to start winding down for bed. I'm going to close their shades. These are blackout curtains and they just help them sleep so much better. My son likes to be winded down for bed with some lullabies on YouTube, and we have a timer set so that as soon as half an hour passes by, it turns off, and every time we check up on him, he's knocked out by then. For my daughter, she likes to be winded down with a bedtime story, and she's always loved bedtime stories, but ever since she learned how to read, now she wants to read them herself. And I'm not gonna lie, she usually picks really long books so that we can stay with her a little bit longer. So after her bedtime story, we will then pick out a few sticks from her prayer bucket, and this is another thing that she would choose like 10 sticks so she can pray for 10 people and have us longer in the room. And of course, it's so hard to choose just one teddy bear to snug with, so she would choose as many as can fit in her hands. Now that both kids are in bed, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the bathtub because if I don't do it now, it won't happen later. I'm also going to finish my skincare inside the shower, and I'm currently using the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser along with my Clarisonic, and it's seriously the perfect pair. To finish off my skincare, I'm going to go in with the Josie Maran Pure Argan Milk Oil, and it's an intensive hydrating treatment that my face always wakes up so nice, glowy, and refreshed the next morning. Next, I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Cream, and this is great for hydrating underneath the eyes, which God knows I need. Next is probably my favorite part of the day, which is the time that I get to cozy up in my bed. I always have a journal in my night table so I can either write down my thoughts or ideas for future videos. It's just a way to let all my thoughts down on a paper, because I don't know if this happens to some of you, but when you have so many things on your head, you're just awake and you cannot go to sleep because you're constantly thinking. So this has helped me out so much. When I go to sleep, I knock out. By this time, I can remove my whining trays and go ahead and brush my teeth. And something else that has helped me out to go to sleep faster is listening to an audiobook. I'm currently listening to The 5 Love Languages. It's such a beautiful book. I was able to find the complete audiobook on YouTube, and I'll try to link that down below. The last thing I do is make sure that I have my alarm turned on, and can you believe, look at how many alarms I have. It's so embarrassing. You can totally tell I am not a morning person. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's time for bed, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.